Alright, so I don't usually do these types of videos, but I'm at a hotel, and we're going to do a little fire alarm tour real quick. Up there is a Siemens smoke detector of some sort, probably addressable. Right over here is a UMMT. I'm just going to walk down the hall a little bit. It is kind of hushed, but it's late at night and I don't want people to hear me. There's another smoke detector up there. Here's another UMMT. Right there's another smoke detector. I think the model of that is like FP11, I think. There's one more up here. And right up there is another Siemens UMMT or a similar device. They are the multi-candela ones, as you can see by that. And another smoke detector. Now, I'm not one for emergency lights, but we'll go ahead and give this a quick test. And it does work. And there's an exit sign up there. I think it's an AC only one. Oh, no, it has a test button on it, but I'm not going to test that. Elevator, for all you elevator fans. And the controls for that. And there's another smoke detector by the elevators. Here's another UMMT with an emergency light right above it. And another smoke detector. This is a sprinkler riser right here. And lastly, here's a pull station. I think the model of that is MSI 20B. So yeah, that's my little tour. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.